Brooke. Kicking away. There's the doggy. He is glued to me. Dexter, go play with your sister. Hello. Brookie. Hi, honey. Hi. Look at those little feet kicking, going like crazy. The two of them just stare off. What? What are you looking at? Brooko. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Hi, Dexter. You got some eye boogies. Hi, Brooke. So much cuteness. So much cuteness. Brooke's feet are going like crazy. She kicked Dexter in the head before. Dexter knows to stay off the mat, but he always manages to get one little spot, his paw touching it, just so he thinks he's boss. Right, Dexter? Dexter. Oh, Dexter. Dexter, move your paw. Paw off. Take your paw off. You're going to put it right back. We fight this battle all the time. Sniff, 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 sniff. And this one's still kicking away. Hi. Hi, honey. Why? Why? What?